Hey guys, come tour the Willow Tree with me. So this is our new parking lot and new local pickup option. And that is me. As we walk inside, you'll see our beautiful Christmas decorations and you'll see the live room where we do all of our TikToks and live sales. There's our two beautiful girls. So all of this is going to be every single piece that we have in inventory inside the warehouse. And this is the warehouse. So here are our beautiful ladies packaging all the orders for you, getting them out as soon as possible. We love them to death. And here is just a little bit of the holiday madness, as you can see. So this is where we would keep all of our jeans, our jewelry, our shoes, and any kind of accessories. Back here is going to be our model room where all the fun and magic happens. That is me. And that concludes the tour.